Hey guys, this is Abhishek. So guys, finally our Asus ZenFone Max Pro M1 start getting the Android 10 official update. Let's go to the settings. Let me show you. If we go to the about section, let me adjust the brightness for a second so that you can see better. So guys, as you can see, our device model number is here, and if we go to the build number, so guys, as you can see, this is our build number and you can check out 407 is the build. And guys, size of the update is 1.6 GB, so you can basically download and install manually, but guys, there is a problem. I will tell you what is the problem if you install this update on your smartphone. So first of all, as you can see, this is Android 10. This is official update, not a custom ROMs, guys. As you can see, we have 5 November 2019 security patch running, and always go to the settings and check out the more options that we have. And guys, also tell you that the download links for the full OTA file is in the description, so you can check out that. But let me tell you guys, if you try to install that via TWRP recovery, that will not work on your phone, because I have tried method to update from TWRP recovery, that is not working right now. I will make full detailed video about this, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe down there, press the bell icon for more updates. So first of all guys, you have to download the OTA from the description that is present on the official Asus website as well, so you can download from there. So after that, you just have to go to your download folder and then just move that file from download folder to your internal storage without any folder. Once you have done like this, you have to move this file here, and after you done that, just go and power off your device. Once you reboot your device, means you power on your device again, then you will see a pop-up on your phone like you have detected a system update. Just click on that and press OK. Just make sure guys your phone battery is above 20%, then you good to go. Just click on that and done. You will boot into the Android 10. But guys, let me tell you, this update has lot of bugs, so you will face some kind of bugs in this update. If you just want to test this update, then you can install, but don't expect that it will work perfectly. I will make more videos after testing this build, so stay tuned for that. And that's it for this video. If you enjoy this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.